You're looking at a 2016 GMC Canyon 4-wheel drive SLT Crew Cab Short Box. Comes with 18-inch polished cast aluminum wheels. The exterior colors are copper red metallic. It does come with a bed liner, and it is a one owner with a clean Carfax. It only has 19,686 miles on it. This is a SLT model for $31,990. It comes with black leather interior with Wi-Fi. It's got a premium Bose audio system with an 8-inch diagonal audio screen. Also comes with a remote engine start, power leather seats. Comes with navigation and a backup camera, Bluetooth connection, MP3 player with a 4G LTE Wi-Fi, and a tire pressure monitor with a security system. Both passenger and driver have heated front seats. Comes with a 3.6 liter V6 with a 6-speed automatic with factory warranty remaining, with a trailer and equipment package, forward collision alert, and lane departure warning. Once again, this is a 2016 GMC Canyon 4-wheel drive SLT Crew Cab Short Box at Heritage Auto Center. You can call us at 920-846-3211.